Hello and welcome to this new video. So in today's video, I would like to speak to you about Web Application Firewall. It's a service offered by AWS. They call it as WAF, but basically it's to improve the security of your web application firewall. So you have rate limiter, you have SQL protection, but something people usually don't know. So it's part of the CloudFront. So you go here to all of the service and you can just, oops, sorry, I have an issue. Okay, so here, CloudFront, and then there, in my case, I go to my instance. So I go to security here, and then I will go to edit. However, something people usually don't know is that you will be charged for this. So it can be quite useful, but if you are just testing something or you have no traffic, it's not worth it because, again, it's not free. It's not really mentioned somewhere. Like here for SQL protection injection is $1 per month extra, but the service for me, like you would see here actually, estimated cost, again for WAF, for Web Application Firewall, it will be $7.58. That's the estimation. Oh, wait, estimated cost. Oh, is it for the request? So if I have 1,000 requests, will it change or is it just for me? Oh, that will be almost free. You can just go there and you can see as part of the CloudWatch, but you have a lot of services offered by AWS and there is a pricing for everything. Like why pricing AWS are so complicated? It's really hard to know because they charge you for each service. Like here basically, sorry, WAF. WAF, and there my personal website hosted again is $5. Yeah, so you have to be quite careful of if it's worth it or not. In my case, I also use Cloudflare on top of it, so I already have a bunch of security such as rate limiting that Cloudflare already offers to me. I have already applied with them, so Cloudflare rate limiting. I'm not sure which one is cheaper though, but they do offer a lot of rules already. And so, yeah, usually for me, this is not really needed. You can easily enable that. Best practices. So, but if you want to, or if you have a lot of traffic, it's a good option too. Now, you don't necessarily have to, because again, once again, this service is not free. And I can see 42 requests. I have an idea of what I can see. This is good. I will just take a photo already for myself if later I do enable the service. But for the moment, I will just turn off the service. So if you turn it off, then it will you will no longer be charged for it. So yeah, this video was really quick. I just wanted to show you this. There are a lot of things you have to take into account. But yeah, for now, I will just keep it off and later I might just turn it on. You have other services you can also use, CloudFront, AWS, and I have something else actually I wanted to show you, Origins. Oh yeah, security. If I just quickly go to my instance, I will go to EC2, and then if I quickly, I will go to security group. Yeah, there too, like sometimes we think like, how can I make it more secure? You can also block some IPs easily. With like the security group, you can only allow one IP or one kind of IP easily from there. So that's also something you can also increase the security and you will not be charged for the security groups. But other services, you know, CloudWatch, you see you also have the pricing there. So just have a look and enable just what you need. And I wish you all the best on your new web application.